Lightspeed is a simple-to-use e-commerce platform that enables the development of an online store. Lightspeed eCommerce offers powerful APIs for developers. Lightspeed eCommerce API provides developers with the possibility to connect their third-party software to the Lightspeed platform. If you plan to market your software product worldwide, Lightspeed API integration must be included in your list. Integrating with e-commerce platforms like Lightspeed requires technical expertise as each system stores data differently. Here are the challenges of developing Lightspeed integration. Developing an integration with multiple shopping platforms can take several months. Updating platforms can be tricky if integrations are based on earlier versions. More help might be needed to access data from updated platforms. Integrating with one e-commerce platform can take a month or even more. Imagine how long it will take for developers to integrate with various shopping platforms. The good news is that Lightspeed integration can be easily implemented with the API I2Cart unified API. Integrate your software with over 40 shopping platforms simultaneously, such as Magento, Shopify, PrestaShop, WooCommerce, OpenCart, BigCommerce, and Lightspeed. Lightspeed eCommerce API integration via API I2Cart allows you to forget about the necessity to support and update the connection every time the new version of a platform appears. Contact us today to develop integration with Lightspeed eCommerce API, saving you time and money via API I2Cart.